How to make a Wix account on phone. To create a Wix account, first of all download Wix app on your smartphone. Whether you are using Android or iPhone, the process will be pretty much same. So once you downloaded and installed Wix on your phone, open Wix. Now to sign up for Wix, here click on get started. And here you can create a Wix account just using your Google account, and also you can do it with Facebook. But here I recommend you to sign up with email. So here let's tap on sign up with the email. And here enter your email address and click on continue. Now you have to create a password, and your password should be at least of 6 characters, including uppercase and lowercase letters and symbols. So create a strong password accordingly. Once you created a strong password, now confirm your password here. And then click on create password. Now here check on this box I'm not a robot. And solve this puzzle. And click on verify. Once it is verified, now again click on create password. Now it will ask you to who is this site for. Here as it is for me, here I'm gonna keep it selected myself. And now let's click on next. Now you can build your website with the help of AI, and you can do it without AI as well. So you can click on setup without chat if you want to do it without AI. And then you can start building your website just using your phone with the help of Wix. So that's pretty much it is. That's how you can create a Wix account. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure you leave a like and comment in this video. And if you want to create a WordPress account on your phone, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.